What's up, guys? Today we're here with Jaliza.com again. Very sleek packaging as always. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is how everything looks once you open the box. Nicely branded. And then I got this bag, which is perfect for storage. It's branded as well. Then I got some information cards, basically just expressing, the return policy, all that good stuff. And I got this pair of wig caps. I got a elastic band, and of course the wig. So today's wig is a 36-inch high density triangle based knotless tangleless boho box braided wig, guys. It's a full lace wig. It's 102 strands on this one right here. Look at the, I don't know if it translates on screen, but it was so soft. Like the baby hair portion, it felt so good. And everything is the construction, guys. I showed you guys this wig in black before, like a 1B color, right? But let me tell you, man, it feels so good. Like it's silky. Like the curly portions are so silky. And as I said, tangleless. This is how the inside looks. As I tell you, it's a full lace wig. They added a elastic band for more security, 3 combs on the inside, and adjustable straps in the back. And I love it. Beautiful. So what I did to make it look more like scalp is I added some foundation to let it look more like scalp once I go ahead and apply it to my head. All right, so I just took my time, applied that right all over the wig cap, and then I proceeded to cutting away the excess lace around my ear once I slip it onto my head, and I took my time to do so. I ended up cutting off just 1 braid at the side of each ear there, and you see it. Very easy. Trust me, it's not much to it. If you want, you could use like a marker and mark this out and then take it off your head and cut it off to be a little bit more careful. But I just went ahead and kind of eyeballed it. Yeah, I've been working with so many wigs for so long. I feel like this literally is just like so easy for me to do now. But yeah, that's how it looks. It sits way better around that area. And yeah, look at that. Like everything looks so realistic though. I can't even lie. It looks so realistic. The hairline is nicely plucked. If you want, you could brush back all the hairs that they left out for baby hairs if you don't want to do that vibe. I just finished it a little bit, and you see further on down. But yeah, I was just making sure that everything kind of fit my hairline properly in this portion. You guys know the drill. So I went ahead and moved on to the next side and cut away the excess lace on the next side as well. Now I pretty much just moved on to using my lace glue today, because that's the type of install I opted to go ahead and do. Why not? So I got my glue, and I actually did 4 layers of this because, yeah, I was feeling the switch up. I don't usually do this color in braids. Well, a braided wig, because to be honest, I haven't done braids directly into my hair for a while now. Like, I've been feeling these braided wigs. They're so convenient. And I don't have all day to be sitting down to get braids when you got gorgeous wigs like these from Jaliza. Like, they look so realistic. I feel so good. They look great. Like, why not just apply one of these? It's definitely the move. So yeah, I kind of fast forward through me putting on the glue. Once I was done with that, I applied the lace to the area, pressed that on really nice, got it super melted. You guys know the vibes. So once I was done, I pretty much just worked on finessing the edges, as I told you guys I would do earlier on. So for the mid portion, I didn't want all that hair down in my forehead. I kind of just wanted to be all pulled back. And then I just did my 2 swoops at the sides and then kind of like a little sideburn action. Nothing too crazy. Now I pretty much just move on to show you guys the complete install. This is how the wig looks. Amazing. Everything looks like scalp. I'm so excited. Okay, this is too flawless. Jaliza, you know what you were doing. Okay, this is so perfect for vacation. Look at me. I was running my fingers through it to just show you guys how beautiful it is. Like, it's completely tangleless and the wig is very full. Very full. You don't need no more braids than this on the cap. It's done perfectly. So I just moved on to kind of show you guys the lace a little bit more, and then I decided, okay, let's go ahead and do some styles on this wig. So my first style that I did, I was kind of just winging it with these styles, by the way. I did like a half up, half down vibe, but I kind of wanted the curly ends to make like a little nice full bang. So you just have to watch to kind of see. It's really simple though, and that's super cute. It gives an effortless kind of boho chic vibe, and I think this is giving like vacation. You want to be in like a nice little sundress. It's just so cute. Let me know what you guys think. So there, that's hairstyle number 1. Okay, and remember, this is inches. As I said, it's 36 inches long. So if you're going for that kind of look, yeah, this wig, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. So now I pretty much just unraveled that so I could move on to hairstyle number 2. Okay, so I decided that I want to go a little bit more fun. I want to do something a little bit more, you know, like, you know, if you're going to a party or something, you know, it's summertime, everybody be having events, everybody be going out. I said, you know what, let me go ahead and do like 2 space buns at the top. That's what I did. It was so simple. I just pretty much wrapped the hair around and kind of left a few pieces at the ends out, and it was too cute. It's not my average hairstyle that I would do even when I'm rocking braids. So yeah, I think this would be nice for a little switch up. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, next, 2 simple space buns, and that's giving fun. It's giving party. I love it. So yeah, that's hairstyle number 2. All right, I got up close so I could show you guys the lace portion a little better. It's definitely giving scalp, so we love that. And then I got the hair down, and I just kept it simple on this one. This is literally just you leaving the hair down. You could play around with it, give it like a nice flip over vibe. But yeah, that's the look for the third one. It's not really a style because really you're not doing anything to it. But yeah, my final look is my go-to. And you know, say once I install a braided wig, I'm not gonna leave this look out, because this is literally how I always love to wear my braids whenever I get them done, or whenever I install my braided wigs. I just love to do this low half up, half down, where I do this undone looking bun, because it looks so effortless and just pretty. So yeah, that's it. That is all for today's braided wig install from Jaliza. Shout out to them. The direct link to this wig will be down below in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. Any special sale going on and any discount code will be listed. Yeah, so check out down below in the description box for all that information. I give this wig a 10 out of 10, as I'm telling you in the video. Yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. That's it for today's wig look. Go ahead and give this video a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and just go and stay tuned. Go and make up on yourself. Bye.